So got like a Polaris Gemini. It's like an Apollo. I think Colts and stuff all ran the same exhaust. But anyways, this was plugged with mouse nest. They crawl up through there and they pack all this full of insulation or whatever crap they can find. So I'm just gonna kind of rough this out, what I did. But I cut this end of the muffler apart here. Cut this piece off, and I'm just gonna, you know, cap it back up and weld it on. I just used an angle grinder, but then I'll weld it back on and everything will be good to go. I used a little grabber to get the stuff out. Here's the grabber, so I'd kind of stick this in there and get the stuff out. So then just roughly gonna show you the exhaust position like this. You know, we're roughly 2 inches down. Inch and a half would probably be good. If you go more, you'll end up cutting into where this baffle is welded on. So yeah, this will work. Cut this piece out. I ran it too like this and just to make sure everything blew out. But yeah, we'll weld this back on and everything will be good and you won't even know that this was apart. So if you have the same muffler, you get the same unit that's plugged. Simple way to unplug it if you got a welder.